What's up, guys? Welcome to Javien's Journey. Today, Javien's going to be making pizza. Javien, what are you going to make today?
Ice cream sandwich and pizza.
Ice cream sandwich and then pizza. So we're going to make the pizza first, then we're going to make ice cream sandwich. Javien's going to show you his chef skills, so just tune in and watch. So you're going to put the sauce on first, and then what do you put on after the sauce?
Put it on the pizza.
Okay, and then after the sauce, what do you put on?
The top.
The toppings. Which one are you going to put first?
I'll put this one.
Okay, go ahead, do it. Meanwhile, this one is occupied eating her. I don't know what kind of cereal that is. What kind of cereal is that, babe?
Trix marshmallows.
Trix marshmallows. Javien is a chef. He is a great helper in the kitchen. Yep.
Ooh, that looks like it's perfect, buddy. That's the perfect amount.
It's almost like you're coloring it, huh?
Like painting.
Yeah.
You gotta cover those
Don't forget
too.
this side.
And then once you finish that, you can add the top. All around.
Okay.
Okay, I think one more should be enough, huh?
Just one more, buddy.
All right, that's it. Now spread it all around. Oh my gosh, we're gonna be eating tomato sauce pizza.
Okay. So which one are we gonna do first?
Cheese.
All right.
Okay, spread the cheese all around, just like, and sprinkle it.
1 second,
There
Melanie.
you go.
Whoa.
Pizza? Yes, you're gonna do pizza too, Mele.
Yes, Mele, you're gonna eat the pizza.
It's gonna be a big
Boy. Javien, tell everybody what you did before you made the pizza. What did you do? You washed your hands?
Yeah.
Yeah, how long did you wash your hands for? 20 seconds.
Oh, that's 10 times 2. There you go. Okay, now
Which one do you want to do first? Pepperoni or sausage?
Let's do pepperoni.
That's not that well. Okay.
Okay, spread that. So this is actually Italian sausage with garlic and basil herbs. And Javien really loves pepperoni, but right now he's choosing sausage.
This is my favorite.
Oh, sausage is your favorite? I think we need to spread
Okay,
it
I
out.
think you need to wash your hands again because you licked your hand.
Yeah, you can't lick your hands.
Go wash your hands, silly. Intermission.
Yummy.
So, wow, because he decided he
Contaminate.
decided he wanted to taste the sausage, so he went and licked his hands like a crazy little boy. But while he's gone,
So this is a video request that was actually asked for on Facebook. A couple people asked if Javien can make a snack, so we kind of amplified it a bit and had a made dinner. So thanks for everybody who
And
made
dessert.
suggestions. Yes, and desserts.
all right, Javien, I think that looks good. Time to make the next pizza,
Next pizza.
and it's gonna be pepperoni.
Yeah, that's gonna go on the next one.
Okay.
And
Okay,
I'm
we have-
sorry, what we have to do is set the oven. You didn't get yourself, but you almost did. But while he's doing that, let's take a look at this Chicago style gourmet pizza. This right here is probably, I would say, I would charge $13.99 for that delicious gourmet pizza right there.
waterfall.
You see how
Try
that?
to do that, buddy.
Can you do
Let's
that?
see if you can do it. That was a big one.
Okay, let me help you again. Oh, oh yeah. We're gonna fill in. We're gonna get the edges.
Oh, a big one.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Let's fill up that side. Okay, here you go. It's a little bit more left. You want to put?
What is that called? Yeah.
Pepperoni time. No more chicken or only
Yeah,
pepperoni.
just pepperoni.
Ow.
Okay, I'll get you a napkin, bud. Pepperoni. Chef Javien.
Javien. Me a lot. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's I put one.
Good job, buddy. This looks so good.
That's a lot of pepperoni.
Yeah, but you know, sometimes Mele, that's all she eats. Pepperoni.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know though. She's eating so much cereal.
Is it good, Mele? You like cereal? Are you naughty? Yeah, I know. All right. Are you done?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Javien, now that the pizza's ready, where do we put it next?
In the oven.
In the oven, and then it's gonna cook.
Yeah.
And then what do we do after the oven?
Eat it.
Eat it! High five!
Bye.
Yeah. All right. Here we go, baby.
See you
See
soon.
you soon. Bye. See you later. Peace. Goodbye.
All right. Let's check it out. Back up, son.
I know, I don't want to
Oh
get
my,
burned.
look at that.
Wow, Javien, look at your creation. You made that, buddy.
Yeah.
You need to be very proud of yourself.
I mean, check that out. Uh-huh. That pepperoni looks awesome.
Are you excited to try it?
Okay, let's start. Good old pepperoni. Okay. Test your pizza and tell everyone how it tastes.
How is it,
the
buddy?
pizza?
Thumbs up.
Oh!
Yay!
Is
Let's
that one?
taste that one now.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, look at this one.
2 thumbs
That
up.
looks like more like a gun. Here, let me see. Let's see what the hype is about, all right?
All right. Oh my goodness, it's daddy approved, Javien.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Mhm. Oh, wait.
Cheers. Toast. Cheers.
It's really good.
It's really good. Javien, 5 stars, buddy, all around. Good job, Javien. Thanks so much, you guys, for joining in and watching Javien make our dinner. He really enjoyed making this video as much as eating it. So hop on over to the next video and watch him make some yummy, delicious ice cream sandwiches. See you there.